Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Atiqah Nabilah binti kamarulariffin with the metric number D2010160 in a group 2. This video is special for my lecturer, Sir Ahmad Irfan bin Jailani. Teaching materials that I've been choose and made it on myself is flashcard. This flashcard, I give it the name sound of animals, you know. So let me introduce you about my flashcard. How to use this flashcard? The student have to hold this flashcard, then he or she need to open it one by one, pages by pages, to see, learn, and make a sounds of animals. You know what? This flashcard only have six sounds of animals. Only 6 animals that I've been choose to put on my flashcard. Okay, so this flashcard is made from A4 paper. Okay, A4 paper. I've been created on Microsoft Word. Then I print in. I cut this paper. I think that I should laminate it, so that I've been laminate. Alright. When I was laminate, I cut on the side to make sure no dangers on my teaching materials. Okay, this one is so safe. Okay, I put on safety is number 1. So this material is safe. Okay, on the other one, this flashcard is waterproof. When I have been laminated, this one is waterproof. This flashcard can give a positive improvement on their brain. You know why? Because when the teaching materials come with a color, then make them attraction, they can be attracted to study, then give a positive improvement on their brain. These teaching materials is the most effective way to develop brain in children relate with their language. So when this flashcard come out with a bahasa Inggris, with an English language, so that at the same time they can study on a language also. So for the conclusion, teacher and parents have to involve on intellectual development. They also have to search teaching materials that they choose and make for their children. So that's all for today. Thank you.